നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ആഗ്ര ഫോർട്ടിലോട്ടാണ് പോകാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അകത്ത് നല്ല സുഖമാണ്, പുറത്തിറങ്ങിയപ്പോൾ ചുട്ടു പൊള്ളണ ചൂടാണ്. അടുത്ത കേട്ടോ, ഞാൻ താമസിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലത്ത് നിന്ന് 2 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉള്ളൂ ഇങ്ങോട്ട്, പെട്ടെന്ന് എത്തും. പക്ഷെ വണ്ടി ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നടക്കില്ല, ഭയങ്കര ചൂടാണ്. ഗുജറാത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് വെച്ച് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അത് തമ്മിൽ വലിയ വ്യത്യാസമൊന്നുമില്ല. ടെമ്പറേച്ചറും ആൾക്കാരും ഇതൊക്കെ എല്ലാം ഒരേ ഒരു വൃത്തിയില്ലാത്ത രീതിയിലുള്ള ഒരു സ്ഥലങ്ങളാണ്. ഫോർട്ട് ലെഫ്റ്റാണ്, ആഗ്ര ഫോർട്ട്. ഒരു രക്ഷയില്ലട്ടോ, കാഞ്ഞ ചൂടാണ്. അയ്യോ, അല്ലോ ഇതാണ് ഫോർട്ടിൻ്റെ വ്യൂ. പാർക്കിംഗ് നോക്കണം നമുക്ക്. ഇതാണ് കേട്ടോ ആഗ്ര ഫോർട്ടിൻ്റെ പുറത്തുനിന്നുള്ള വ്യൂ. ഇവിടെ പാർക്കിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്, പാർക്കിംഗ് ചാർജ് കൊടുക്കണം. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ആഗ്ര ഫോർട്ടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലോട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ. അവിടെ ടിക്കറ്റ് എല്ലാം ഓൺലൈനാണ്, നമുക്ക് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കണം.
So I am going to explain you everything, so you are welcome in this fort. So great Mughal king Akbar who built this fort in 1565, but this fort completed in 1660. So 95 years took place to completion fort by the 4 Mughal generation. So first you have entered in this castle, that was the Amar Singh gate, but before the gate moat is there. Surrounding the fort they fill the water and there were crocodiles for the security. Not today in Mughal time. And look at us, so boundary walls, so there are two-sided boundary walls. So outer wall is 40 feet, inner wall is 70 feet.
40 feet and 70 feet.
70 feet.
This is an inner boundary.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in this hole they put the guns, bow and arrow. So
Yeah.
kill the enemy here. Look at us, so this cannon. Recently,
Fire gun.
5 months ago, it was founded in the Muzaffarnagar city.
Okay.
In the one farmer founded this one. Now ASI department put it here.
Okay. Then we can go now inside. Your name?
Rajiv Kumar.
എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു ഗൈഡ് കൂടി ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ ഇന്ന്. അക്ബർ ഫോർട്ട് അല്ലേ? ദിസ് ഇസ് അക്ബർ ഫോർട്ടിലാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു ഗൈഡ് കൂടി ഉണ്ട്. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളിലോട്ട് കയറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
So in this gate, both side, second gate, there were musical drums.
Here.
So when they used to play these drums, so that was the announcement.
Okay.
King is coming from this way.
ഓഹോ, ഓക്കെ. കിങ് വരുമ്പോൾ they will announce it, the drum, right?
Look at us cutting on the stone. So this is horizontal cutting. So due to this cutting, elephant and horse can walk easily. Feet will not slip.
Okay.
And down there were soldiers for the security. A balcony, so there were many ladies. So ladies had flowers.
Okay.
If king is coming, so they throw the flowers to welcome the king. Is the third gate, royal gate. In the royal gate, there is also Persian mosaic work. So work had gone, repaired by the cement. So today this gate is office of the archaeological survey.
Here. Oh yeah. Okay.
So they enter here.
So which way we go? This way.
This way.
ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്തോട്ട് കയറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ വഴിയിൽ ഒരു സ്ലോപ്പാണ് കേട്ടോ. എന്താ കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, എനിമീസ് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവർക്ക് അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഓയിൽ ഒഴിച്ചു വിടാനും റോക്കൊക്കെ ഉരുട്ടി വിടാനുള്ള എളുപ്പത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്. ഈ രണ്ട്, ദിസ് ഈസ് എ റോയൽ ഗേറ്റ്, ഇതോ വെൽക്കം ഗേറ്റ്. ഈ റോയൽ ഗേറ്റും ഈ വെൽക്കം ഗേറ്റും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് 100 feet. 100 feet ആണ്. ഐ മീൻ, ഈസ് ദർ എനി ടൂറിസ്റ്റ്?
Not too much.
No foreigners now, right?
Right now, nothing.
Nothing. Same in Kerala also. Yeah, first Mughal king Babur.
Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty?
Okay.
Second king Humayun. Third king Akbar.
Akbar.
Akbar was great in Indian history. Then Jahangir.
He did many things, huh?
Yeah, Jahangir. Famous justice. And Shahjahan was the fifth Mughal king who built the Taj Mahal. So great builder Mughal dynasty and famous for craftsmanship. His son Aurangzeb famous for the injustice and cruelty. So look at us in front of the palace of King Jahangir, which is built by his father Akbar in 1569. from the red sandstone. So up you can see the balcony.
Mm-hmm.
Both side domes, so there were soldiers for the security.
Yeah.
And Mughal King Akbar had 3 wives, Hindu, Muslim, Christian.
Uh-huh.
And between the 3 wives, he got the one son from the Hindu wife.
Mm-hmm.
Hindu wife name was the Jodhabai.
Mm.
She belonged to the royal family Rajasthan in number 4.
Mm-hmm.
So when she brought the child, so her parents presented this bowl
Oh.
as a bathtub for the baby to fill with the diamonds.
Uh-huh.
So now there is no diamond.
Oh. Oh, everything stolen.
Have the bathtub.
അതാണ് കഥ കേട്ടോ. 3 wife. He have 3 wife, no? He had 3 wife.
Hindu main wife.
Oh.
Not.
Many wives. Ah, good history, huh?
He was very tolerant king.
Yes. അപ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലുള്ള എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഉള്ള ഗൈഡുകളെ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഈസിയാണ് കാര്യങ്ങൾ.
So sir, I told you bathtub.
Bathtub. This is the bathtub, right?
Yeah, but quality of this stone,
Mm-hmm.
this is sandstone.
Oh.
Sand.
Not strong.
No. Sandstone, so one piece, no joint.
Mm-hmm.
3 steps outside, 3 steps inside.
Okay.
5 feet height of this one. 8 feet diameters.
There is a step inside. Huh?
Yeah, and coated with the gold from the both sides.
Oh.
But 1761, decline of the Mughal Empire.
Mm.
So one of the Hindu king, his name was Surajmal,
Mm-hmm.
who was the Jat king in Bharatpur.
Mm-hmm.
And today Bharatpur famous for the birth century India, so attack on this fort.
Okay.
Look at my right hand side, complete destroyed King Akbar
Yeah,
palace.
that side is fully destroyed, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
And try to cover this one, so gold covered come out.
Uh-huh.
Took the gold, left this one.
Mm-hmm.
So one step is missing that time.
Mm-hmm.
The Mughal time it was in the bathroom and half in the underground.
Oh.
So ASI department bring out for the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Now tourists can see this one.
Okay.
So 3000 kg weight of this stone.
3000 kg.
Yes sir.
Okay.
And look at also this gate.
Mm-hmm.
Very top in the gate, very top.
Mm-hmm.
From the left hand side go in the corner.
Mm-hmm.
So one line over there are circles.
Mm-hmm.
So it's representing the Buddhist region.
Okay.
Down the circle second line.
Mm-hmm.
First second both blocks are the empty, third, fourth, fifth look this type.
Mm.
Cross Christian, white design the gate Indo-Arabic,
Uh-huh.
yellow stone white will Persian,
Yeah.
down star of David Jewish,
Mm-hmm.
lotus through the gate Hindu,
Mm-hmm.
and white must center this type car.
Yeah,
both side
mixed
Islamic.
architects.
So Akbar mixed all in together.
Yeah.
Create himself new religion
Uh-huh.
that is known Deen-e-Ilahi.
Dinilahi. Yeah.
In English, God is one.
Uh-huh.
Great in Indian history.
Yes, of course. He is great. He is a great man actually.
Both sides there are soldiers for the security,
Mm-hmm.
ventilation for the air and light.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the main entrance gate of this palace. Doing work on red sandstone.
Yeah.
This is a manual, and look at also stars.
Yeah.
So these are the 6 corners of Star of David. This is Jewish.
Mm-hmm.
Mihrabs for the Muslims and lotus flower leaves Hindu.
Hindu. Yeah.
So look at also Mughal architecture bottom to top all are the one piece. Solid stone pillars,
Yes.
brackets. This is Hindu Jain design.
This one.
This one, brackets.
Brackets.
So this basically this design belong to the Dilwala Jain temples in Mount Abu.
Yeah.
In the gate, so
Mount Abu is in
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
in the gate, elephant rings are there, lotus flower,
Yeah.
and one line over there, 2 parrots with the lotus flower.
Yeah.
So Muslims never use living arch,
Yeah.
but Hindu use. But Mughals were Muslim. They live in India. They had Hindu wife, and Akbar was great king, so he made everything for the every region. But Mughal time, this ground dancing ground.
Oh.
So king sat here, musician there, dancer in the center, royal ladies in the top.
Oh.
So only for the entertainment. If you watch carefully, you can see the 5 crosses are there.
Yeah.
So this they had mixed architecture.
Okay.
Akbar was very nice king.
Yes. You are true. Where are we going now?
We are going to see the other part, but we still
Inside.
here in the Jahangir Mahal. Mughal king Akbar had 3 wives from the 3 different religions
Yeah.
and 3 different countries. Named the first wife Ruqayya, Turkish Muslim. Second Jodhabai Hindu from Rajasthan. Mariam Christian from Portugal, Portuguese.
Oh, Portuguese.
So look at us a block here, the swastika.
Yeah, swastik.
Holy sign of Hindu.
Hindu.
Hexagonal with this point both side Muslims. And look at us a cross.
Yeah. True.
Combination of religions. Try to satisfy all three wives.
How brilliant they make like this, so mixed. But the common people can't understand anything.
You guys can explain this.
Yeah.
At that time, no electricity. So this is a gold paint
Okay.
with diamond paint.
Okay.
They made the gold and liquid acid in 1100 degree temperature.
It's so fire.
So they put the oil lamps for the light. Because that time there was no
electricity. Yeah. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പുറത്തിറങ്ങിട്ടോ കണ്ട് നമ്മൾ we are inside the palace, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So both side. Hello sir. First, look at both side, up this side and this side on the top. So both are the water storage tank.
Yeah, in the top.
But that time no electricity.
Okay.
No pumping stations. Only men can fill the water.
Okay.
Through the leather hand carry bag. This is the drainage. So wastage water come through the channel. There is a hole.
Hole, yeah.
Passes to the river. See the river Yamuna.
Yamuna.
And
Oh,
Taj
yeah.
Mahal also.
Taj Mahal also. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Any hardcore criminal, so give him the punishment as per his choice. Give him the one weapon. Fight with the elephant. If you are safe, your life safe.
Then save.
Otherwise, elephant will kill you.
Yeah.
And this one, they put their cannon
Oh,
for the security.
for the security. Yeah, that's a good idea, no? Fight with elephants.
Actually, that time no air attack, only ground attack.
No. There's no way to escape from elephants. It's very difficult.
Look at us, the thickness of the wall, more than 2 meters. Come in.
Yeah, more than 2 meters. This wall.
So summer palace, summer bedroom, the king.
Yeah.
Mughal time the floor, Mughal carpet. Gold paints around the walls, light on the top with diamond designs.
Oh.
But that time no electricity, no cooler, no AC, no fan. So there is hollow. I told you overhead water tank.
Yeah.
So they fill the water running in the walls.
Oh.
So insulation the water in limestone, so natural AC. So this is the wind palace. Natural air comes very close to the river.
Yeah.
Mughal time river's water level was so high.
Yes.
Use the grass
There is
curtain.
more water in the river.
Yeah. Use the grass curtain, so air comes very cool in.
Cool.
And look at this ventilation. From this side it looks open, but when you go out,
Yeah.
it looks closed. See the Mughal architecture.
Yeah. ഇത് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അവിടെ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അടഞ്ഞായിരിക്കും, പക്ഷേ വെന്റിലേഷൻ നടക്കും.
Now marble. Marble work, King Shahjahan work. Shahjahan built the Taj Mahal. Had 3 wives, but he built the Taj Mahal for the 3rd wife. Her name was the Queen Mumtaz. Because others of the king, they did not produce any child. So now we are talking the Mumtaz and Shahjahan. So both were married to each other in 1612. Queen Mumtaz died in 1630, so only 18 years of married life.
Oh.
In 18 years she produced 14 children.
Oh my God. There is no time for any other job.
out of 14, 8 children died in childhood, only 6 survived.
Okay.
Queen also died in 14 childbirth. So those who were survived, they were 4 sons. Prince Dara Shikoh, Suza, Aurangzeb, Murad. 2 daughters, Rosanara, Jahanara. Aurangzeb was the 3rd son, captured the power from father, put him in the prison, and killed all his brothers.
Oh.
But he did not kill sister, they were not challenging. So one sister, Rosanara, she lived here, so her palace is the Palan Queen design.
Okay.
And coated with the gold. Now this is brass, this is not.
This is not gold. Oh.
You can see Taj Mahal from here, river Yamuna also there.
Yes.
And this garden developed by the Archaeological Survey of India. Recently they are developing the garden, and they want to make the heritage walk from Agra Fort to Taj Mahal. And here first side is the dry moat, so there were wild animals.
Oh, here.
Second, crocodile with water.
Here, wild animals. There are crocodiles.
Crocodiles
With water.
And both sides they put the cannon for the security.
Okay. Here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So basically every Mughal building covered 4 garden principle. So here 4 garden. In
Oh,
the
there is a
center.
grapes, huh?
Yeah, grapes are there. So they grow the grapes and prepare the wine for the king.
Oh.
So vineyard and top and down you can see the all rooms. So there was the harem of the king. Harem, understand or not?
Yeah.
Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Nanta
Aram,
Paramalsa.
Aram, yeah.
And 5 fountain in here and 32 small one. So 37 fountains total. Up there red one water supply tank. So king can get here rose water. Swimming pool of the king. See this building up iron rings and iron wire.
Yeah.
So they put the curtains no door.
Oh.
Bedroom of the Shahjahan Mumtaz.
Yeah, here.
This is the bedroom.
This is a bedroom. Oh my God. This is the bedroom of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz.
So Mughal carpet on the floor. Gold paint surround the walls.
Oh. So real gold?
Real gold.
Real gold.
Diamond cut designs with gold paint both sides.
Now only stones.
See
Everything.
the marble. So light is going to pass. So translucent marble. Come and see. They put here also gems and gold. Both sides.
Yeah.
You can attend the call.
No.
Both sides gems and gold, but today nothing to see.
Here.
Yeah.
Here is a gold and gems, na?
Gems and gold both sides.
Both sides. So more lights.
Yeah.
ഇത് കണ്ടോ, ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഫാൻ കെട്ടി തൂക്കിയിട്ട് ആട്ടുന്ന ഒരു പരിപാടിയുണ്ട്. സെർവൻസ് പുറത്തു നിന്ന് ആട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ ഷാജഹാനും പിന്നെ വൈഫ് ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് കാറ്റ് കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആട്ടുന്നവൻ ഉറങ്ങിപ്പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫാൻ നിൽക്കും. ഫാൻ നിന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവൻ്റെ തല കാണില്ല. അതാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റോറി. Princess
Jahanara Palace, eldest daughter of the king Shahjahan,
Okay.
and very close to her father.
Okay.
When Shahjahan in the prison, so she took her father last time.
Oh.
And look at us with this dome. Shahjahan's father Jahangir, especially famous for the justice.
Justice. Yeah.
In 1605, when become a new Mughal king, so he made a gold chain from 100 kilogram gold.
Oh my God.
30 meters length of the chain, 60 bells in the chain hanging on this dome. And God said a motto. Pole was there, chain also hanging on the pole. If somebody had a problem anywhere in India for the justice purpose, who can pull the chain? So that was direct approach to the king. That chain on Jahangir, chain of justice. Okay.
That is the story behind that. Jahangir's chain of justice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Too much story behind of this.
Yeah. Good.
So where Shahjahan in the prison, see the prison of the king. Very
Okay.
important position of the king.
It's a very important place. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ അങ്ങോട്ടാണ് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഒരുപാട് സ്റ്റോറി ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക്. നമ്മുടെ രാജാക്കന്മാരൊക്കെ വളരെ നല്ല ആൾക്കാരായിരുന്നു. കുറേ ആളുകൾ.
An area.
Oh.
And in the present time between the 4 pillars, he sat there and he could see Taj Mahal. But always weeping, always crying. After 1 year his eyesight was very bad. He could not see far.
Okay.
So look at us this room. This room.
Open.
From here go. See on right hand side this room.
Yeah.
Where he locked by his son. And in this room as a prisoner here 8 years until his death. In 8 years he had lost 3 sons, 3 wives, 2 grandsons. Crown, eyesight bad, and son put in the prison. So he had lost everything in life. But he had only one wish: I want to see the Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
Call his son to the request, my son, I only one wish: I want to see
Just
the
want
Taj
to see.
Mahal.
Yeah.
On the request of the father in the room, left side on the wall, his son made the one small hole there and put the one magnifying glass. So Taj Mahal's reflection comes on the mirror. So he could see the Taj reflection. So how Shahjahan see the Taj Mahal, we cannot go in. That is closed. But I am going to show the reflection of Taj Mahal, how he can see.
Okay.
Give me your mobile for 1 minute. Jasmine flowers. Jasmine,
Flowers.
or look in Mughal language, Musamman Burj.
Okay.
In this room where Shahjahan loved, you have seen from that side. But one fountain is there.
Oh.
So water supply come from that side.
Okay.
Fountain were running. Shahjahan washed his hand and face.
Okay.
So went for the prayer, free for the prayer. Locked it to the washroom. Come and see. Inside there is a Meena mosque. So personal mosque of the king.
Okay.
When king died, king in the prison, coming for the prayer with the security guards, other prayer going back.
Oh.
This is the smallest mosque of the AC, only one person can do the prayer.
Okay.
Now that is closed. Meena market ground,
Oh.
ladies shopping center.
Here.
Yeah. So Friday was the holiday in Mughal, only torches for the light.
Okay.
At this Meena Bazaar, where Shahjahan saw the first time Mumtaz here,
Oh.
she was selling the sugar crystal. She was not from the royal family. So Shahjahan stood at the counter and asking the girl, what is this? She did not give the answer, then again asking, okay, I think this is diamond. And he took the whole sugar crystal from her
Oh.
and give you the gold coin to her. Means 20, about 20 gold coin. Then Shahjahan walked 2 and 3 feet. And so girl was laughing too much. That prince who don't know, what is this? Shahjahan turned up and looking at her face. That was the first attraction. After the 3 years, he got the marriage from her.
Oh.
So the place where Shahjahan is the Mumtaz.
ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഷാജഹാൻ മുംതാസിനെ ലൈനാക്കിയതെന്ന്.
Or Rajya Sabha.
രാജ്യസഭ.
My right hand side is the black stone. So throne of the king Jahangir from the onyx stone. Onyx import from Belgium.
Belgium. Oh.
That is known in the South Indian language Salagram stone. And white seat, Mughal prime minister seat. In the floor iron rings. Look at us in the floor iron rings.
Yeah.
All side. So they put the tent here. So they do the meeting in the tent. Monsoon time they do the meeting in this hall.
Oh, okay.
Monsoon
Monsoon time.
Come and see the king's seat. But 1803, British Army General Lake attack on this fort. So he hit this throne by the cannonball. So you can see the crack in the throat.
Yeah.
And ball is bounced there is a hole in the corner.
Yeah.
So
ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർ വിട്ട വീരങ്കി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഉണ്ട കൊണ്ട് ഇത് പൊട്ടിപ്പോയി. എന്നിട്ട് അത് ആ ഭിത്തിയിൽ ഒരു തുളയുണ്ടാക്കി. അതാണ്.
So there was the canopy, that's the canopy, and complete this roof. Look at us, complete concrete construction.
Yeah.
This is British construction. This is not a Mughal.
Not Mughal. Yeah, it's a concrete.
We are not using the concrete.
Concrete. Yeah.
So that time when market was running, king sat here.
King seat. Oh, this place.
Sat here. See the activity of market.
Yeah.
Because
So,
he
get an entire view.
was completely paying the money to the ladies also.
Okay.
Because here ladies buyers, ladies sellers, strictly
Some more ladies sellers.
means ladies coming from the other
Other
countryside,
countries.
selling the items. So they stayed in the rooms also. Then morning time they are going back to their homes also. This way, where king used to come in the Diwaniya, means Raj Darbar. King using this way. From the palace side is coming this way. And look at also these rooms.
Oh, so all rooms.
So these are the 9 rooms. Listen. So Mughal King Akbar had 9 ministers. So office of the 9 ministers.
This is
These rooms, 9 rooms are there.
Okay.
So I'm going to tell the name of the ministers. Abul Fazl, Todar Mal, Birbal, Tansen, Khane Khana, Man Singh, Mulla Do Pyaja, Hakim Kand Faji.
All famous.
All were very famous in their field.
Very brilliant people.
And others from second the ministers of total administrative block.
So പുള്ളിക്കാരൻ്റെ ഭരണ സ്ഥിര കേന്ദ്രമാണ് കേട്ടോ മിനിസ്റ്റർമാർ. ബീർബലൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ള കഥകളുള്ളൂ. അവരുടെയൊക്കെ മന്ത്രിമാരുടെ പുള്ളിയുടെ അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേറ്റീവ് പാനലിൻ്റെ റൂമുകളാണ് ഇതൊക്കെ. ഓഫീസ്.
Was coming down here, ladies wash their hand
ബിഫോർ പ്രയർ.
before the prayer. See the arches. Okay. So the teeth type of arches that you know Dantakar Sally. This is the Shahjahan art, so Shahjahan built this mosque. And that time there is no priest for the ladies because priest means imam is not there.
Only for
So how to do the prayer? Making the columns here. Each lady in each corner. So I think this is only one mosque in India, only allowed for the ladies. So Shahjahan was basically open-minded.
Yeah.
And after the prayer, ladies use these stairs to go the market in Meena Bazaar for the shopping. And so that's why ladies use these stairs.
Yeah.
And look at us a brown color boundary wall. Brown color. And see the big bricks house.
Oh, so hot.
So this is the Ratan Singh Jeweler house. And brown color boundary wall. So that was a very famous story in Agra Fort where Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji or is a prison here and has got the sweet basket from that boat
Oh.
with his child. Both windows is queens
Oh.
in curtain. White seat is prime minister. Pillars are 64 so respected nobles and ministers. Public outside is the place where king meet the public. Solve the problems of the public. But that side there was famous peacock throne of King Shahjahan here. In the peacock throne 9,000 were gems. 1,100 kilogram was the gold. Shahjahan moved his capital from Agra to Delhi. Throne also went to the Delhi. 1739 Iranian king Nader Shah attack on the Delhi fort. So it took away the throne. So presently can the peacock throne few parts because they melted in central bank in Tehran. And Kohinoor diamond also went with the peacock throne.
British.
But after the long time death of the king Nader Shah, one of the Afghanistani soldier, his name was Shuja, is stolen from the treasury of Iran. Iranian soldier behind with him. Shuja ran away from Iran and came in India. In India there was famous Sikh, you know Sikh.
Yeah, sick.
King
Punjab.
Ranjit Singh. So Ranjit Singh gave in the shelter, Shuja presented the Kohinoor diamonds to King Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh gave his son Dilip Singh. And Dilip Singh, very small baby, 8 years old. So forcefully presented the British Queen Victoria. Victoria had divided 3 parts of the Kohinoor diamond. Today one part is the British Museum,
Yeah.
one part Queen Elizabeth's crown, and one part Prince Philip. Recently he died. His walking stick.
Oh.
Otherwise 865 carat diamond. So total world population can eat the food one time. That was the worth of the Kohinoor diamond. Come and see the Mughal architecture. See? And every person can see the king.
Yeah.
From the pillars, no obstruction.
Yeah. That is the architect.
Muhammad Qasim Siraji Irani Muslim, engineer of this entire fort,
Oh.
and 4,000 workers had done this work in 95 years.
Oh my god. ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തിന് പ്രത്യേകത ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. നമ്മുടെ ജോധ അക്ബർ സിനിമ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൽ കാണാം ഇതൊക്കെ.
You went in Taj Mahal, you have seen everything,
Yeah.
and you have taken very nice guide. And that's the flower. Crown flower, it was from the gold.
Okay, okay.
Now this you can see all side. Name of the flower Reptilia Mongoli found in Indonesia. How they get, I don't know. From
But
Indonesia.
he have a connection with the entire world, no? That time maybe for the trade. Many
They
people
think
come
they
for
have
the trade,
connection
no?
everywhere.
Everywhere.
They were the king of the India.
Yeah.
Agra was the capital of the Mughal dynasty.
Mm-hmm.
And white building Moti Masjid,
Mm-hmm.
that is closed under renovation.
Mm-hmm.
But biggest mosque they see from the white marble. Cannon, English time cannon, and weight of this cannon 3 tons. And my left hand side there is a grave of Mr. John Russell Colvin,
Oh.
English Lieutenant Governor East India Company. He killed here Sipahi mutiny in 1857. 1857 Mughal dynasty is over. English take the power. So
Yeah.
basically this creates sign of the end of the Mughal
Yeah.
and beginning of the British Empress rule India.
Mm-hmm.
It starts with the light and sound program.
Mm-hmm.
Behind this boundary wall Indian army. In Mughal time, Mughal British time, British now Indian time, Indian army.
Mm-hmm.
But there is no activity today. Just they live here.
Mm. Yeah.
For the drinking water,
Mm-hmm.
for the drinking water for the public, those who stay here in the when court is going on,
Mm-hmm.
and especially Mughal King Shahjahan who built the Taj Mahal,
Mm-hmm.
not drinking the water from the Agra.
Mm-hmm.
Agra's water is very salty,
Mm.
so he was getting drinking water from Kashmir, Srinagar near Chashme Shahi.
Ah.
Ancient time, not
How?
a road, good transportation,
Hmm.
not a pipelines.
Uh-huh.
That part from Agra about 1500 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
So 1500 person standing in the queue. One person was carrying the water running the 1 kilometer,
Just
passing to the second person.
Mhm.
So 3000 workers working round the clock.
to get this water.